Installing the sensor is quick and easy. As with all YoLink devices, a YoLink hub is required to connect the sensor. Once your hub is up and running, you're ready to connect your leak sensor. To set up the sensor, download the YoLink app to your tablet, smartphone, or other connected device and log in or create a new account. Within the app, tap Add Device and scan the QR code found on your sensor. Press the Set button on your sensor once to connect it. It will blink red once and then flash green to indicate it has joined the network. To install the sensor, simply place where a leak or where risk of flooding may occur, such as under sinks, washing machines, dishwashers, refrigerators, in basements, near pumps and water heaters, or hot tubs. Your sensor is now set up and transmitting. Use the YoLink app to view and customize your new sensor. Rename the sensor, view time-stamped history, edit alert and notification settings, and more. To integrate with voice assistants such as Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant, simply go to My Profile in the YoLink app and access the voice assistant integration guide in Settings. Create safer and smarter homes with YoLink.